Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have a post review. So if you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you for coming back. And if you're new, hopefully you will consider subscribing. So let's talk about this post review. This is from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. And it is the crystal, completely full crystal canvas. And as you can see, it's Santa Claus, and it says snow. It is, I think, yeah, it is a 30 by 30 centimeter. So it is a true 30 by 30 centimeter. It had the two legends and two pictures, one on each side, left and right. It had 30 colors, and they were mixed variety of some symbols and some numbers and some letters, and they all have their crystal coat. So as far as the glue, there was a couple spots on here that wasn't as sticky as other spots, but it's fine, no big deal. I had plenty of crystals left over, and I will stick a picture in here somewhere showing you how many crystals I did have left over, because I've already put them in my storage system. Now, I did make one change in this canvas. So, if you've seen my unboxing, which I will put in the description, it came with a baggie of blue crystals and a baggie of purple crystals. And I think there was some kind of mess up. I think what it was showing was, in the picture, it was showing a blue background, but it was supposed to be a purple background. So Amy stuck a bag of purple crystals in here. That way, you know, you could either do one or the other if you wanted to. So me, being me, I did them both. I started down here, you can see, with the blue. And then I thought, you know what? I hate to have all those purple crystals and not use them. So what did I do? A checkerboard. I did the checkerboard, and I used both purple and the blue. And I think it's just as pretty as if it would be one solid color. The shine is absolutely gorgeous. Just stunning. Just shiny, shiny, shiny. And like I said, I had plenty of crystals. Now, here's what I sort of didn't like about this canvas. I myself sort of kind of think the color is a little off. For one, his face is yellow, okay? Instead of a tan or, whatever skin tone, it's yellow. I don't know, that was just weird to me. And if y'all can see that, I mean, it's just, he's yellow. This and this, they're supposed to be birds. Now, the picture is on here of what this is supposed to look like. And you can see that they're two little red birds right here, okay? And then this right here, this little white ball inside the O, that's supposed to be the little ball on his hat, which the color of it, I don't know. I mean, you can see it. I don't know. And the only other thing that was a little off color-wise is the word snow. These are supposed to look like candy canes. If you can see in the picture, if it focuses, it's supposed to say snow, but the letters are supposed to look like candy canes. So, as you can see, I mean, they do and they don't. I don't know. But other than that, I don't really have any complaints about this. And those aren't really complaints as much as just, you know, a little off. So, beautiful. I mean, I love the crystals. I mean, it's different. They're not just, you're not just laying drills down, you know, I don't know. It's just something different, and they're so pretty. Oh my, they are just so pretty. I love it. So this is the second one that I have done, and this is the last one I have for now. And I think it's the last, yeah, this is the last one I had that was a Christmas themed canvas. So, and all three of them were Santa Claus. But he looks sort of like, oh, what is that guy's name? The little cartoon character on the, the Christmas cartoons that come on every single year. The man who is looking for the abominable snowman. What is his name? Cornelius? Yukon Cornelius or Cornelius Yukon? I'll stick a picture of him in here. But that's who it kind of puts me in mind of when I look at this picture, is that guy. Instead of Santa Claus, it looks like that guy from that cartoon. So, anyway, this is just a real quick video, just showing y'all what this looked like, and I am fixing to start another one. I don't know what I'm going to start, though. I haven't made up my mind. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and until my next video, I will see y'all later, and Merry Christmas. Bye, y'all.